GESPASA fuel dispensers with integrated controller. Control the supplies that are made in your pump. The dispenser is designed to provide maximum performance with the greatest simplicity. Highly robust and reliable. Stainless steel chassis for long durability. Maximum sealing of the electronic part that's protected from water and dust. Vapour barrier for maximum safety and compliance with the regulations on pump construction. Base that allows direct installation without the need for an additional base. Rear die cut to facilitate the entry of overhead pipes. Interior distribution designed for quick and easy access to all interior elements, facilitating installation and maintenance. Pump with degasser and piston meter that provide maximum measurement precision. 1 or 2 products, versions for diesel, gasoline or AdBlue, with a GESPASA controller integrated in the dispenser. Supplies will be restricted to authorised personnel and vehicles only. Online consultation of supplies with any computer or smartphone with internet access. Get the list of the supplies you need by user, by vehicle, by groups. You can assign limits to each user or vehicle and restrict their use. Export the data to Excel or integrate the supplier's database with your own software easily and automatically. GESPASA fuel dispensers. Maximum reliability, total control.